All right, here you go, Julie. What's it say?
Happy birthday. To Juliet, happy birthday. Okay, it's from the back.
It's
No, it
bad.
doesn't say anything. It says, well, yeah, it says something on the back. But it's not the front. Okay. I can't wait to see it. It's about much for that. I think he has a lot of money in there.
I don't know.
If it would be money, it would probably be $1 million.
She
deserves.
She deserves $1 million. I won't.
$2.
All right. You like it?
Yes, I do. What do you think?
You guys, leave her money alone. That was amazing, Julie.